Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Empire, Louisiana sits along the west bank of the Mississippi River in Plaquemines Parish, about 60 miles south of New Orleans. This small community lies where the river begins to spread into its lower delta, making Empire one of the last settled towns before the river meets the Gulf of Mexico. Empire was founded in the early 20th century and developed as a shipping and transportation hub. Its location made it an ideal transfer point for cargo moving between riverboats, ocean-going ships, and rail lines. For a time, Empire was one of the busiest ports in Plaquemines Parish, handling agricultural products, fuel, and supplies bound for coastal and offshore destinations. The town's growth was closely tied to industry. Grain elevators, warehouses, and docks line the river, and workers live nearby in modest neighborhoods built to serve the port. Empire became known as a working town, shaped by river traffic, long shifts, and the constant movement of ships passing just offshore. Like many communities along the lower Mississippi, Empire played a quiet role during the World War II era, when river transportation and Gulf access were critical to national logistics. While it never became a military base, its port facilities supported increased shipping tied to the war effort. Life in Empire has always been vulnerable to storms. Hurricane Betsy in 1965 caused extensive flooding throughout Plaquemines Parish, damaging homes and infrastructure. Over time, repeated hurricanes, land loss, and economic shifts led to population decline as port activity slowed and industries consolidated elsewhere. Hurricane Katrina in 2005 marked a turning point. Storm surge and flooding devastated Empire, destroying most residential structures and effectively ending the town as a populated community. Unlike some neighboring areas, Empire was never fully rebuilt, and many former residents relocated permanently. Today, Empire exists largely as an industrial site rather than a residential town. Port facilities, storage areas, and river infrastructure remain, while streets that once held homes now sit empty or overgrown. The Mississippi River continues to move past, carrying global commerce through a place that once thrived on it. Empire's story reflects the rise and decline of river towns built for a specific purpose, shaped by geography, economics, and the relentless force of storms.